Shenzhen Joaboa Technology Group is an industry-leading functional building material system service provider and a national high-tech enterprise established in 1999. Our products and systems are widely used in major infrastructure construction, industrial building, and civic commercial building. Joaboa Tech's mission is to dedicate a non-leakage waterproofing project to the society and care for the poetic and peaceful home for human beings.
Joaboa Tech's headquarters is located in Shenzhen. Till now, it has more than 2,000 employees and 8 production bases in Wuhan, Suzhou, Chengdu, Tianjin, Foshan, Huizhou, Shishou.
It has more than 30 direct sales branches in China, more than 1,000 professional sales team, 800 marketing team across the whole country. Joaboa Tech is an industry-leading system service provider of function building materials, including waterproofing materials, WC waterproofing insulation integrated roofing system,
decorative and energy-saving integrated cladding system, floor hardening system, artificial quartz stone.
As the pioneer of high-quality waterproof service system, the representative brand of Chinese self-adhesive waterproof membrane, the annual sales of Joaboa Tech's self-adhesive membrane has ranked top 1 for many years.
Joaboa Tech firstly put forward skin-type waterproofing theory, also is the inventor of wet application and pre-application, which have been written into China national regulation in 2003. In 2009, Joaboa Tech participated in the formulation of China national standard pre-applied and wet installed waterproofing sheets, ranking top among these editors. Joaboa Tech has established strategic cooperation with most of the top 100 real estate companies in Chinese mainland and some famous foreign developers. Since 2018, Joaboa Tech has operated top 3 forums with government associations for sales and marketing, including Architects Summit, Fortune Forum, New Technology Forum of Green Building Construction. More than 300 meetings have been held till now, which have left great impression on more than 100,000 people. It has greatly improved the influence of Joaboa Tech's brand image in the market.
Joaboa Tech is a national high-tech enterprise, national 3A critic enterprise in construction industry, leading enterprise in China waterproofing industry.
The Vice President Unit of China Building Waterproof Association, Executive Director of China Engineering Construction Standardization Association Citibank, 10-year global strategic partner, famous brand in Guangdong Province, top 10 building waterproof technology innovation enterprise in China. Meanwhile, Joaboa Tech has achieved more than 100 core national patents and developed 2 national KEEP new products and 2 FM approval certificates for PCV, TPO roofing sheets. Joaboa Tech has joined in over 4,000 waterproofing projects in China, with landmark projects such as Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau Bridge, the first affiliate hospital of Zhengzhou University, China National Museum, Beijing 2008 Olympic Games Stadium, Beijing Daxing International Airport, Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport, Beijing Universal Studios, Huawei Bantian Base, Tencent Headquarters, Canton Fair Stadium, etc. Joaboa Tech has already become a top 3 brand after years of development in China, whose products have been exported to over 15 foreign countries like Vietnam, Colombia, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, India, Philippines, USA, UK, Norway, South America, Chile, Egypt, Australia, etc.
Joaboa Tech stands out in the market by providing series of unique systems that can solve many issues when using traditional products or systems, by reducing the total cost and shortening the construction period with the decrease of construction layers and application steps.
Joaboa Tech's unique products and systems might be a good support for the development of your reputable company. Any question or any interest in working with us, feel free to contact with us. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.